Hi, welcome to the training of TestNG. I welcome you all on behalf of Let's Learn It Easily. I hope you enjoyed the training. Now, before starting with TestNG, let's have some understanding of some basic words related to unit test. Or we can say, let's have definition of JUnit. Now, what is a unit? So the unit is the smallest testable part of the code. For example, it can be a class or it can be a method. Unit testing is a process to test all small parts independently. Unit testing is done to test the behavior, or we can say the output of each and every small part of the code. There are two ways to do unit testing, manual and automated. Now we will have comparison of both the ways. Manual testing is time consuming, less reliable, and it requires more human resources. While in the case of automated testing, a code is written to test another code. The code that tests other code that is known as test case, and test framework is used to do it fast. Unit testing increases team productivity. Let's see how. Here generally little code is written that is tested, then again coding and so on. So if there is an error, it will be identified at the earlier stage. So at the end it will require less time for debugging. As each small part is tested, integration becomes very easy. Programmer can make changes later on and can check whether the code still works properly or not. By one means or other, we can say that before TestNG, JUnit was there. Developers understood the usefulness of unit testing because of JUnit only. But JUnit had some limitations. Initially, JUnit could do the unit testing, but then other kinds of testing was also added. However, JUnit cannot do dependency test. It has poor configuration control. It is intrusive, means in certain situations you need to extend the classes and name your method in a certain way. You have to recompile your program unnecessarily. Now, according to official source, TestNG is a testing framework inspired from JUnit and NUnit, but introducing some new functions that make it more powerful and easier to use. TestNG is designed to cover all the categories of test, unit, functional, end-to-end integration, etc. Please note that TestNG is inspired from JUnit. It is not extension of JUnit. TestNG was designed to be better than JUnit and to come out of the limitations of JUnit. TestNG has so many powerful features which makes it easier to use, like it supports annotations, data-driven testing, and parameterized test. It also supports multiple instances of same test case, etc. Now, rather than just simply speaking about features, I think we should see it practically. So, in next session, we are starting with practicals of TestNG.